Welcome to Exam Heist, your trusted partner in certification success. We provide comprehensive study materials, available both online and offline. We're here to guide you every step of the way. From in-depth PDF guides to structured practice sets, we covered all essential questions to help you in certificating. You'll always have the right resources at your fingertips. Download the PDFs, take practice tests, and connect with our expert support team. Interactive online practice support, so you can test yourself anytime, anywhere. Exam-ready PDFs, carefully curated with essential questions. Top performers consistently rely on Exam Heist. With thousands of learners already certified, we've built a reputation for quality and trust. Expert assistance, where certified professionals are available to answer your queries. And most importantly, content that stays up to date with the latest exam patterns. Start today, and move one step closer to your certification success. So don't wait. Give your preparation the winning edge with Exam Heist. Visit examheist.com now. Exam Heist, your journey to success starts here.
Question 1. What is one distinguishing feature of Aruba solutions for retail customers? Option A. Aruba ClearPass simplifies the deployment of access points, APS, at small branch sites such as retail outlets. Option B. Aruba Unified Communications, UC, solutions provide a cost-effective, but feature-rich alternative to Microsoft Skype for Business. Option C. Aruba High Performance Computing, HPC, solutions are cost-effective enough for retailers to use at the network edge. Option D. Aruba Location Services help retailers engage with their customers with wayfinding tools and context-based notifications. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option D. Aruba Location Services help retailers engage with their customers with wayfinding tools and context-based notifications. Question 2. Why should HPE partners understand the advantages that HPE Financial Services offer? Option A. By 2021, a majority of IT expenditures will be based on pay-as-you-go and pay-per-use models. Option B. By 2018, a majority of companies will increase their IT budgets by 25%. Option C. In 2017, a majority of companies moved their services from private cloud to public cloud. Option D. By 2019, a majority of companies will be using leasing options. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option A. By 2021, a majority of IT expenditures will be based on pay-as-you-go and pay-per-use models. Visit examheist.com now. Start your exam success today. Prepare smarter with Exam Heist. Practice real exam questions. Download PDFs and revise with confidence.